everybody, my name is Melissa Parker and this is my husband John, and he is the Chief Product Officer here at FEYNLAB, and we wanted to take a few minutes and chat with y'all. We actually used to own a business together in East Texas. We had a ceramic coating company and we did some detailing before we did ceramic coatings, and we used to get a lot of questions when we ventured over into the ceramic coating side. We've always gone with the no question is a stupid question because you have to start somewhere, right? What we decided to do was go on a Google search and search the most basic ceramic coating question that there was, and it pops up all of the other questions that you may have as a that you may come up with for ceramic coating. So without further ado, let's start with the first one. What is a ceramic coating and how does it work?
A ceramic coating is a resin system that's typically placed in solvent that forms a durable bond with whatever substrate is being applied to. Most ceramic coatings are traditionally hand applied. There are some spray applied technologies out there, but the easiest way to describe it is, like I said, a hand applied resin that's going to protect whatever substrate is being applied to.
Next question. What are the benefits of ceramic coating for my car? I remember we used to have customers that would tell us that their car cleaned up so much easier and they didn't have to wash it as often.
Yes, that's very true. So most ceramic coating technologies out there, the car is going to stay cleaner longer than ever before, and then whenever you go to clean it, it's going to be very easy to clean. The dirt and grime should wipe off readily once you have a car ceramic coated. And that's one of the key benefits to FEYNLAB is we're always trying to keep the car cleaner longer. We're not using silicones or anything like that attract dust. And so if you get a ceramic coating that's of good chemistry, it truly will keep the car cleaner longer than ever before. And whenever you go to clean it, it'll clean up very, very easily. Another benefit would be if you apply ceramic coatings, typically they are going to increase the gloss. At least with FEYNLAB coatings, they do increase the gloss. There are some ceramic coatings that are out there that will kind of mute flake and kind of retard the gloss a little bit. But in general, ceramic coatings will increase the gloss.
Let's go to the next one. I'll let y'all see this here so y'all can see what we're doing here. How long does a ceramic coating last?
That is a very loaded question. It should be in the years category. All ceramic coatings that are of good chemistry should last in the years. So whenever somebody says ceramic coating, how long does it last? There's a lot of variables that play into that. So there's gloss retention, and then there's hydrophobics still remaining prevalent so that you can see that it's actually working. So a ceramic coating may be there, but not be hydrophobic. And so how long that happens is really a maintenance thing typically. Most ceramic coatings though will last years and years and years. It really just comes down to the maintenance portion of it, is how long the hydrophobic portion of that coating will last. But in general, the gloss is gonna last years.
Yeah, I remember we had a customer, we actually put the 1-year coating on her vehicle and it was maintained so well that it lasted almost 18 months.
Yep, that's
and
very true.
She was so impressed with it. But again, it was very well maintained. It was brought to us, to be maintained. And so the maintenance definitely had a lot to do with that one.
Yep.
Our next one is, now this one is one that we didn't get very often, but it's a very, very good question. Do ceramic coatings yellow my paint?
While there are a lot of chemistries out there that do yellow paint, typically ceramic coatings are not going to be one of them. They're in the 1 to 2 micron range, and so typically they will not yellow paint. But there are a lot of different chemistries that portray themselves as ceramic coatings that are a thicker film build that could potentially yellow paint. So you want to check with your installer, whoever that might be, no matter the brand. Just check with the installer, make sure that it's something probably they've been using for a little while, or they have some good feedback for the years of testing, just to confirm that coating that they're using is not going to yellow your paint. But in general, no, they will not yellow paint.
Okay, I don't have anything to say on that one. He's got that one covered. All right, so the next one is, how does a ceramic coating compare to traditional waxes and sealants? That's a big question. I know that one is.
That's a very, very good question, because people are typically used to waxes and paint sealants. Something that, maybe their parents had gone out and kind of shown them over the years. And so the evolution of that is the ceramic coatings. And so how do they compare? ceramic coating is going to be, in general, more chemically inert, which means it's more chemically resistant than a wax or paint sealant. Not only that, it's going to last years versus months. And so the biggest comparison to me is the ceramic coating is going to be way more durable, probably going to be glossier, and like I said, it's going to be more chemically resistant, protecting your vehicle, acting kind of as like a sacrificial barrier to the elements in Mother Nature. So it's just more chemically resistant than traditional waxes and paint sealants is the easiest way to kind of compare the two technologies.
Well, too, if you live in a hot climate like we do here in the Houston area or somewhere down in the South where it typically gets really, really hot, you put a carnauba wax on your vehicle, what happens to wax when it gets hot? It melts.
Yeah. So carnauba does have a very low melting point. It doesn't last very well in the southern, parts of the U.S. And so that is a very good point, that it's not going to last nearly as long as ceramic coatings as well.
So coat, don't wax. Okay, next question. Yeah, this is a good one. Can ceramic coatings prevent scratches and swirl marks on my car?
So that's a very good question. The general ceramic coating can slightly help with scratches and swirl marks, but to say that it prevents it, no. Now, we do have some coatings that do help with scratches and swirl marks. We are the pioneers of self-healing coatings. These prevent light wash-induced scratches. And so whenever you're out there and you're going to a self-serve and you're hitting with the brushes, those light scratches can be recovered from our self-healing coatings. But to say that it totally prevents the scratching, no. Our self-healing coatings can definitely recover from light wash-induced scratches though.
We never suggest going through a drive-through car wash or anything, but if you go through a drive-through car wash and you go through the ones with the brushes, I mean, those things are beating the heck out of your car. You know, the coatings are not going to protect you against that. Maybe make it a little less worse, but it's still going to scratch your car pretty bad. So
I will say that we've had some of our customers that have gone through tunnel washes with our self-healing coatings, and they're still, leaps and bounds above just a traditional ceramic coating, but it's not ever a recommendation of ours to go through tunnel washes. But the ones that do, that we've had our personal customers, their cars did look a lot better with the self-healing coatings than the customers that we just had traditional coatings on.
Okay, next question. Is a ceramic coating suitable for all types of vehicles and paints? Another loaded question, Parker.
So if you have an older classic in single stage paint, typically I would not recommend a very aggressive coating. We do have one particular coating, our 1-year coating, that's very good for the single stage paints out there. So to say that it's suitable for all paints out there, I would not say that that's the case. I will say if it's ever in question, have your detailer check to make sure that there's no kind of transfer onto his applicator pad. So whenever he's putting the coating on, make sure there's no transfer onto his applicator pad, and that will tell you if it's suitable for your paint system or not. But to say that it's suitable for all, I would not agree with that statement. I would say it's best to err on the side of caution with any classic car. Now, if you've got modern day clear coat, yes, in general, all those paint systems are gonna be okay.
We learned that the hard way, didn't we?
Yeah.
We sure did. Okay, so let's see. The next one we have here, I see maintain. How do I maintain a ceramic coating on my car to ensure its longevity?
The best advice I can give on that is wash the vehicle on a regular basis. So ceramic coatings, as long as you maintain them, what they mean by that is wash them every once in a while. Yes, the car is going to stay cleaner longer than ever before with a ceramic coating, but that doesn't mean do not maintain that car. Just like the oil in your car that's needed for the motor, you need to wash the car every once in a while to maintain its longevity. And so what I would recommend is just wash the car on a regular basis, and then whatever brand of ceramic coating you have out there, they probably have some type of detail spray or ceramic sealant that can go along with it. So if you're one of those weekend warriors like myself, I go out there, wash my car, and then I hit it with my favorite detail spray, which is our Detailer version 3, or our ceramic spray sealant or something like that. So the best way to me to maintain it, wash it and detail spray it, and that will maintain the hydrophobics for years and years, probably far beyond the actual warranty of that ceramic coating.
I think a way that you can kind of compare it, right, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think a way you can compare it is like, think about the pores on your skin. And if you never wash your face, your pores get clogged up and your face gets kind of gross. So it's kind of the same thing with your car. You might notice that your coating isn't beating and sheeting the way that you want it to. So you go out there and you wash it, and maybe the pores of your paint have gotten clogged up a little bit. And that wash with our Pure Rinseless V2 or our Pure Wash or Eco Wash or whatever your wash of choice is will help unclog those pores, and your beating and sheeting comes back.
I'm not much into the skin thing, but I will agree that's a very good analogy. But that being said, yes, it does make a lot of sense with what you're saying, and so I agree with that.
Okay, next question. How much does it cost to apply a ceramic coating to my car? These are loaded.
Yeah, so that's a very, very good question. So it'll depend. So if you're a weekend warrior, you can do it yourself. FEYNLAB has a 1-year ceramic coating that is available to the public. That is something you can go and do yourself. The cost of the application is relatively low, but it's more of your time savings. You know, what is your time worth to you? And so that's where the professionals come in. And then also, am I gonna sit out there as a DIYer and polish my car to perfection to prep the paint for the ceramic coating? Whenever you go and you prep a car, that means you wash it, you're decontaminating the paint, polishing it to a high gloss to get out the swirl marks and everything else, and then applying the ceramic coating. It does take time. And so from a professional application, it could run, say, $500 all the way into the thousands of dollars. It just really depends. Every car is going to be different, and so the cost that they recommend on how long you plan to keep that car is the biggest thing. Typically, as you go up in the durability of the coating, those coatings become more and more expensive. Chat with your local professional on their recommendations for your specific situation, and just kind of see, if it's worth it to you. And if not, then we always do have an awesome 1-year option that you could do yourself. So that's probably the easiest way to get it, because the cost, it's widely varies. I'm just trying to be 100% honest with you guys. I mean, it could be, like I said, well, let's say $500 all the way up into thousands of dollars.
It definitely can. Depends on your market, where you're located a lot. Okay, let's see. I think we are down to our last question here. And this one looks like it's kind of, oh, wait, no, this is not what I thought it was. Let's see what this one says. How do ceramic coatings compare against dealership applied sealants?
That is a very good question. I got asked that all the time when people were coming into me. They said, hey man, the local dealership has a 27-year warranty on this sealant that they're putting on my car. But you're telling me that your 3-year product is actually better than theirs. You have to remember, in general, I'm not going to say all dealerships, because the dealership market is making a shift right now. They are getting into solvent-based ceramic coatings. That's something that I would ask the dealership, is whenever they say ceramic coating, then you need to make sure that it is a solvent-based ceramic coating. There's a lot of people that will apply a water-based product, kind of like our detail spray, which is a pretty much sealant that a dealership would say that this is a sealant that they're putting on your car that's going to last 10 years. That's not really the case. They're mainly selling a lot of paperwork to you. But that being said, there are dealerships that are making the shift to ceramic coatings, and that's a positive thing. And I'm glad that they're moving away from kind of like the snake oil approach and getting into the true ceramic coating. So I would just ask your dealership, is this a solvent-based ceramic coating? And if they say yes, then you could probably have a little bit more faith in that product compared to the traditional dealership approach of applying just a sealant to the car.
Who would you say that they need to go ask? Because their salesperson is probably not going to know.
Some salespeople will be. They'll have the marketing material from the company. The company that's selling the warranties to them. They will have the paperwork. If not, you can ask the new car sales manager or a general manager, or F&I department knows as well. They typically know a lot about the products that they're trying to sell in the F&I department. So that's another great person you could ask, is just the finance department. If for whatever reason the salesperson doesn't really know, just go ask either a new car sales manager. They should know. And if not, then the F&I guy should know what kind of protection they're offering. If they don't, that would be a red flag to me, and maybe you would want to think about going to a true professional down the street from that dealership, because they're probably just selling you a piece of paper.
What is the F&I department, just in case somebody doesn't know?
F&I is the finance department.
Okay. Well, Parker, call him Parker because there's so many Johns in this company. I think it's a requirement that you have to be named John to work for FEYNLAB. My first name's John too, by the way. No, I'm just kidding. So anyways, I think we answered a lot of questions today, but if you have questions that we didn't cover today and you'd like to know, drop them in the comments below. We may even can make another video if we have enough questions. We see your question, we'll get it answered for you, I promise.
Also, if you'd like to, I was just gonna say, if they have anything where they're trying to locate stuff, they can also go to our website. Our team is here to help you find these professionals. They're gonna be able to educate you on what ceramic coatings are, what the differences are, and how they benefit you. We partner with the best installers, and these guys are looking out after their clients. They're not trying to rip you off or something like that. So if you want, just comment below, contact us on our website. Anything, we'll get you linked up with a professional that's gonna be in your area to take care of you.
And all that information is down below in the description of the video. It's gonna have our website, it's gonna have our phone number, it's gonna have the link to the website, so you can just click and directly go to our Find an Installer link, or you can actually email in if you have a specific vehicle. There is a link there also that you can fill out a form, and it will come to our customer service department, and they will directly email you and the installer closest to you and get you connected immediately. So whichever is easiest for you.
Thanks again, everybody. Y'all take care and I hope you enjoyed it.
Good job, Parker.